Welcome to the world of the Internet of Things, often abbreviated as IoT. In this presentation, we will embark on a journey to explore the fascinating realm of IoT, its components, applications, and the profound impact it has on various aspects of our lives. Introduction to the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is a paradigm that has revolutionized the way objects and devices interact with each other and with us. It's a network of interconnected physical devices, vehicles, buildings, and even everyday objects that are embedded with sensors, software, and network connectivity. These things collect and exchange data, offering a level of automation, control, and information never seen before. Components and architecture of IoT systems. IoT systems consist of several essential components, sensors and actuators. These devices collect data from the physical world and can perform actions based on that data. Connectivity. Various wireless and wired communication protocols enable devices to connect and share information. Data processing. Data collected by sensors can be processed either at the edge, close to the data source, or in cloud-based platforms. User interfaces. IoT applications are accessed through user interfaces like mobile apps, dashboards, and even voice commands. The architecture of an IoT system depicts how these components interact within the IoT ecosystem. Applications and potential benefits of IoT in various domains. IoT applications span a wide array of domains, including smart homes. IoT enables home automation, enhances security, and promotes energy efficiency. Healthcare. It facilitates remote patient monitoring, wearable devices, and improves the quality of patient care. Agriculture. IoT-driven precision farming and crop monitoring lead to higher yields and sustainability. Transportation. IoT connects vehicles, enhances traffic management, and improves transportation efficiency. Industry 4.0. IoT powers industrial automation, predictive maintenance, and optimized production processes. Environmental monitoring. IoT contributes to monitoring air and water quality, aiding in environmental preservation. The potential benefits include increased efficiency, safety, convenience, and sustainability. Challenges and considerations in implementing secure and scalable IoT solutions. Implementing IoT solutions brings forth significant challenges. Security is paramount, with concerns surrounding data privacy, device security, and network security. Scalability is another hurdle, as IoT systems must handle a massive number of devices and manage vast datasets. Addressing these challenges involves robust practices like encryption, authentication, and data management. Future trends and developments in the IoT landscape. The IoT landscape continues to evolve. Emerging trends include 5G connectivity, offering faster and more reliable connections. Edge computing, processing data closer to the source for quicker insights. AI and machine learning, enhancing IoT's ability to derive meaningful insights from data. The possibilities for IoT are limitless, with potential applications in smart cities, autonomous vehicles, and personalized services. As it continues to shape our world, IoT's impact on our daily lives is undeniable. As we conclude this exploration of the Internet of Things, we want to express our gratitude for your time and attention. If you found this presentation valuable, please consider showing your support by liking and sharing it. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on our latest content, and join us in future discussions on the ever-evolving world of technology. Thank you for being a part of this journey into the Internet of Things.